Okay, this is lesson one in a series of 6 lessons. So when you get done with lesson one, make sure you do the homework that goes with it. Okay, this is all going to be about expressions. And we're going to start out with a thing called any order, any grouping property with addition. And what this basically means is that when you're adding numbers, you can add them in any order that you want. Like 3 plus 4 plus 5. I could do the 3 plus 4 and get 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Maybe I want to add the 4 plus 5 together first, and then add 3 on the end. I'd still get 12. Can I do 3 plus 5 and get 8, and 8 plus 4 is 12? Sure. When it's all adding, you can do it in any order at any time. So let's look at this next one. Rewrite 5x plus 3x by expanding each term using addition. What does that mean? Well, here's my 5x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus my 3x's. And what I end up getting, I get 8x's. Pretty easy. I could have got 4x's plus 4x's if I wanted to, or maybe 1x plus 7x. But the best answer, 8x, because I just combined my 5x's with my 3x's. Find the sum of 2x plus 1 and 5x. Well, if I use the same idea, I'm going to do x plus 1 plus x plus x plus x plus x plus x. There should be 5 of those. So let's see. How many x's do I have? Well, I have 7 x's plus 1 constant left over. Find the sum of negative 3a plus 2 and 5a minus 3. Well, they all have to be additions, so I'm going to write negative a plus negative a plus negative a plus 2 plus a plus a plus a plus a plus a, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus negative 3. All I did was add the opposite there. All right, so if I look at this, those will cancel out and make a 0 pair. That'll make a 0 pair. That'll make a 0 pair, which leaves me with 2 a's. Here I have plus 2 and plus a negative 3. Well, that's a negative 1 or minus 1. Now, does this any order, any grouping work with multiplication? Sure it does. If I have 2 times 3 times 5, I could do 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 5 is 30. Or maybe I want to do 2 times 15, because 3 times 5 is 15 equals 30. Or maybe I want to do the 2 times the 5 first and get 10. 10 times 3 is 30. So as long as all of them are multiplication, you can do them in any order at any time. Find the product of 2x and 3. So I need 2x times 3. Well, any order, any time says I can multiply this 3 times this 2 and get 6. And 6 times x would be 6x. So if I do the same thing here, I can multiply the 3 times 2 and get 6. And that'll be 6x. We can multiply the 5 times the 4 and get 20y. In this case, I probably want to go do the 4 times 2 and get 8z. All right, so let's look at this next mess we have. It says we can do any time with adding and any time with multiplication, but you can't mix that together. So let's just start out with our multiplying. Let's do 3 times 2 is 6x, plus 5 times 4 is 20x, or 20y, plus 4 times 2 is 8z. Now, can I combine these together? Well, just imagine you had 6x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you started adding 20 y's to them. Well, the y's and the x's aren't the same thing, so you can't exactly count them the same. So no, it doesn't work. Your answer would really just be this, because you can't mix x's with y's and z's. Well, Alex says that 3x plus 4y is equivalent to 3 times 4 plus x times y. It says you can use that anytime, any way you want to thing. Is he correct? Why or why not? Well, he's not correct. It's okay to do anything, anytime, if it's all addition or if it's all multiplication. But in this case, we have a mixture of both. And if we actually wrote it out, 3x's plus 4y's, well, what can combine there? Nothing can combine there. Alex's answer would be 12 plus x times y. That looks nothing like that. So, Alex, hate to say it, but you're wrong.